So now once you've made your water puddle banana, I am adding, we'll add color, this color, to the banana. I'm adding the color similarly, same way how I've added the color to my apple. Add it everywhere. Then I'll wash my brush and very lightly I'll blend the colors everywhere. Now when I'm doing this, it's quite light, right? I'm adding my Paynes gray. I'm pushing it back so that it does not merge all the way down. This is the last small little banana effect it creates. So define it more, and in the middle I'm going to be making a small line over here, something here, very thin and very light line. Now when you do this, you'll see it creates a nice, it makes it a 3D banana. So it's no more a two-dimensional banana, fruit, figure, whatever. I'm adding more color. Now I think I'll add another color. This kind of color I'm adding. This is quite a light shade, not like a darker shade or anything. Just adding it to give a nice look. Now what I'll do is, here I am leaving some space for creating an opening at the top. I'm just using the tip of the brush. You guys are enjoying this new series of Wet and Wet. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also to comment or leave a comment that helps us grow, and also turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out any of our videos. So now I'll continue painting, adding some details to the banana, and also paint a bunch of banana, like how to paint a bunch. So continue watching. So hope you guys enjoyed the whole video and enjoyed painting with me. I'll see you next week for another video and on how to paint something in watercolor. Till then, try this tutorial and share it with me on Instagram, Facebook, tag me, and I would love to see it and share. See you guys, see you next week, and bye bye.